not just opening something.
Yeah, exactly. You know.
Yeah.
And action.
I had been looking for some really lovely, neutral, organic feeling plates, specifically for breakfast actually, because at breakfast time I'm really wanting to wake up and just relax into this kind of garden space that we've created in our home for our dining area. And I came across BOSINLIFE, which is a Scandinavian company originally, and they do the most lovely sort of organic feeling natural plateware and homeware. And I picked a couple of plates that I hope have just arrived, so I'm gonna unbox them together. Now they come in these really lovely green and brown boxes, which for me just feels very, very natural. And if I open the box, the loveliest sentiment here, they write something in the box, which I always think is so lovely. Hello there, take a minute to go outside, breathe, be amazed by nature. Please help protect it. Recycle this BOSINLIFE packaging. So really special, a really lovely special message. And I just love everything about this. I love the green in there. You can see I'm a real green fan. So that's really inspired me. And then if you open this up, you can see there is this lovely plate with a little bit of movement, because I did want something natural and organic, but I also wanted it to be a little bit unique with just a touch of, you know, wow to it. So this is really lovely because it does the natural, organic, soft feeling, but there's a little bit of a twist. This is the Iceland ceramic dinner plate, and I think I've also got some bowls, so I'll show you in a moment. Each package comes with, again, this really special envelope, which is a certificate for every single plate that you have. And I just love the way they do it. You know, packaging is always so special, and just the fact that, you know, they make each piece feel really unique is lovely. And again, really organic in this lovely kind of neutral envelope. So I'll put that one down, and hopefully the bigger boxes are those with the bowls. Yes, beautiful. So again, here I've got my little brown tag and my certificate, which is really special, and then this lovely bowl. Now, I love how deep these bowls are, and I couldn't really tell online whether they would be really deep, but it really bothers me when you go off to buy bowls that you want, I don't know, cereal in or fruits in, and they're just not deep enough. So, you know, they're only bowl in name, but these BOSINLIFE bowls are really deep, so perfect for cereal, perfect for a bowl of fruits, or for me, granola and some yogurt. So really gorgeous depth to that. Now let's use these plates to actually have breakfast. We have a moment of peace where the children have all gone off to their holiday camps, and it's mine and my husband's 10 minutes where we can share just a moment of calm and have a really beautiful breakfast. Something simple. We like some cheeses, berries, sometimes granola, and it's such a nice time to do it in summer because our dining table overlooks the garden, so it just feels very adult-like and mature and beautiful. So I've just come on and I'm just double checking, actually handles because I've seen the paper, I think this looks awesome. And you can see in here, oh God, before I take off the whole thing, it looks incredible, actually. These handles are really great, super oversized. We went through a lot of headaches to try and get this right, because this is a really gorgeous liquid metal finish. The handles are made bespoke. You can see they're kind of inset and just really, really elegant, actually. This whole look is so, so elegant. I love what we've done here. I'm really pleased with that. This was actually what we kind of came to see. And if I show you, it's such a lovely part of what we do. We are using this really gorgeous pink onyx in one of the bathrooms. And we've had the stonemason do some different looks for us. And we want to choose which grout we think might work better. I personally like the sort of whitish grout, but not a grout that's too bright. And initially they'd said, you know, let's try and match it as a pink. But the stonemason had actually suggested a white, and to be fair, I do think I agree with him. I'm not really into coloured walls, but to be fair, I'm glad we trusted the client on this one. It looks really great. Yeah, really nice. You're not happy with it? No, but the colour looks great. It's not my kind of colour, but I love it. And I like the fact that the ceiling have we done a darker green on the ceiling?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it doesn't actually look too dark, to be fair, because of the lights.
Plus, once the floor comes up, sheets come down.
Yeah, it will be a lot brighter. I love it.
Yes.
I think it goes really well with this crazy red.
Yeah.
It does look really good. It's our first proper colourful interior. Everything else is cream. Yeah, I mean, even us, but does it really, and it looks elegant. I think because of the trees outside and the red brick, I think it looks great. Oh my goodness, can I just tell you something? I have never in my life gone for full painted cabinetry, and this is in a dark green, in a beautiful shade. I have to say, I've dark green, and it looks incredible. I mean, the doors are not even on yet, but I am so excited about this unit. It honestly looks incredible. The colour is fabulous. I think I need to do more colour in my life because this is fantastic. I love the colour. I love the way it kind of fully emerged into this utility space. So this was a kind of nothing room, and there was really just, you know, a washing machine and dryer plonked here. And now we've turned it into this kind of utility / kitchen space for the family that's downstairs. And the colour in this room is delicious. I cannot describe it in any other way. I think it must be my favourite blue, and I'm kind of regretting not using this in a blue in my own home because it's so pretty. Yeah, let's go to the next room. This is super cool, this colour. Oh, so this unit has just come in, and that's great because we thought this was going to be delayed because this is a shoe unit, and we kind of designed it after the fact, but really luckily the joiner has managed to actually get this done in time, so perfection. And this is going to be my favourite part of today's reveal and site visit, because here, sorry Savita, you can stop looking now because oh God, I'm gonna open this up because it's so, oh wow. Oh, sorry. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. I cannot tell you how many times I went over and over and over this unit to check every single color and every single material. There's a different color here, sorry, different material here, different color, different framing color, different inlay color, and then there is a beautiful, this is actually a suede, but I am so glad that we did that. It really does look fabulous. Look at this. I mean, I think anyone else who sees this is probably thinking, what do you mean it looks fabulous? It just looks like a mess. But to me, this is so much progress. And I love this. I'm so glad we changed the kind of slightly the design of this. And also I'm so glad we changed the depth of the, you know, that was really like this, wasn't it? And it looks so much nicer now. So elegant, such a beautiful curve. Yes. So we have just bought all of the plateware that we are going to style for you today. I'm super excited. We had a little bit of a midday shopping spree, but thank you so much. Thank you, take care. Right now, we need a cab. Who's gonna agree to take 17,000 bags? Hello everybody. So we have just popped into Carper, which is actually one of my favorite coffee places in London, in Knightsbridge. We're on our way back to the office, and I'm just going to pick up obviously free will today. Really, taxi driver. It's a beautiful thing. Okay. I have waited a long time to be able to buy and invest in these plates. I have always loved the Toile de Juillet Lyon print, and it really is such a special print for me. I love how classic it feels and how elegant, and I love it so much. I even love the bags, hence they're here on show for you guys. And I just think everything about this collection is stunning. So to have a whole set in my home feels incredibly exciting. I am going to do a full setup with these plates for you today. I've always been a little bit concerned that, you know, if I went with a full branded DIOR set, that actually, you know, it would look and feel over the top. But I am going to keep this very beautiful branded set and do a stunning setup for you, but really pare everything back so that you can feel how really simplified but elegant the whole look can be. I genuinely think this is one of the most exciting moments. Oh, it's got to be done slowly. Isn't this the best part? With a little sticker and the tissue paper. Oh. I'm just going to try something out. Does it look good on there, or should we just keep it simple? I hope you have loved today's day in the life. I hope it has been relaxing, enjoyable, elegant, and gorgeous for all of you. Please do subscribe if you enjoy this channel. And please do keep following. I will try and update you with another video very, very soon.